Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Algorand. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Algorand has recently formed this symmetrical triangle, and now the movement is very squeezed inside this triangle. Therefore, at any time it can break the resistance or support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very huge breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this very big falling wedge pattern. And so far, from this low, and last time it was testing the support of the wedge here up till this high, you can see that Algorand has rallied more than 302%, but could not break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents. That had been previously working as a resistance here and resistance here, and before that for several months it had been working as a support and resistance here as well. Therefore, in order to continue this rally to the upside, we will again need to break out this resistance on. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you a very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And you can see that for the past several months, it is working as a resistance. Here we have broken out this lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. And after the retest of the previous resistance of lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support, it is geared up but got rejected by the upper bands. And right now it is also trying to break out the upper bands resistance of this Ichimoku bearish cloud. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Space ID, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared on 13th of March 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Algorand. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, it is moving inside this symmetrical triangle. By the way, we found the resistance here on 12th of March 2024. And after a huge drop, we found the support here on 13th of April. And you can see we had a bounce here, almost another bounce here, another bounce here. And now we have several touch points by the support here and several touch points at the resistance as well. By the way, it is testing the resistance more than the support. That is a quite clear signal that eventually it can break it out. However, in case of breaking down, the conservative target to the downside can be here. That will be at this next long-term support of 11 cents. And in case of breaking out the resistance, the target to the upside can be here at this long-term support resistance of 30 cents as well. And in that situation, the pricing can also try to break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents. Now, if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here Algorand has already broken out this multi-year space resistance of a very big falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, the price and got rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents. That has been previously breaking at the resistance zone here, support zone here, support zone here, and here is the support and support. And before that, it has been breaking at the resistance here and resistance here as well. Therefore, in order to continue this rally to the upside, we will need to break it out, and we will also need to break out the upper bands of this Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. We have broken out the lower bands, and now we need to break out the upper bands, and after breaking out this Ichimoku bearish cloud, it will be flipped into a very long-term support for the price line of Algorand. By the way, if the price line will be rejected once again by this long-term resistance on, then it can also form this head and shoulder pattern as well. And here we will have the neckline of this head and shoulder. And this is, by the way, a bearish fast pattern. Therefore, after breaking out this triangle, it will be very important for the price line to break out this resistance zone. And now if we take a look at the target, a very massive and long-term target for this big falling wedge pattern, that technical target for this breakout is here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $2.70 to $3. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.